What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now, I hope at some point this thing will get used again this weekend. But I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing is because, I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing is again. Two, and you see this is a 2022 model as you can see because you can see how much expected this thing is going to get used almost like quite a bit of times because you can see how much expected this thing is exactly. And I'm hoping some point this thing will get used again, either this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping some point this thing you can see. But you have to push this down to get it to work because you can see if you don't, it won't do anything until you push the safety on it. It's kind of weird, my just opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing is going to get used no matter what because you can see how much expected this is exactly. It will get used again this week, either this weekend or next weekend. I don't know. It's like I'm hoping some point this thing will get used again this year. But as you can see, it's definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. But you can see how much we expected this thing to go. But it will get used again this weekend. I'm hoping. I'm hoping this thing will get used again this weekend because you can see. I mean, this thing not exactly. It's a pretty cool looking one in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected on this machine exactly. But it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. But if you just find it, if you get this one usually, if you have this RCA 20, you can see. But this is a pretty nice looking one in my opinion. So I hope at some point this thing will get used again at some point this year. But as you can see, it's definitely how much of an expected this machine is exactly, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used again this weekend or next weekend. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping some point this thing will get used again this year. But this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw.